Hi, I'm John, and welcome to another Product Spotlight. Today we have a couple models from Atlas, so let's head over to the workbench and take a look. Alright, so here's what we're looking at today. This is actually a pair of 40-foot wood reefers. These are HO scale, and they come from Atlas. I looked on Atlas's website and found a whole lot of different paint schemes, and each paint scheme has at least 2 different road numbers. They have an undecorated version for $34.95, and then several decorated versions for $42.95. Now remember, these are the prices listed on the website. If you shop around, you will probably find them for less at your favorite retailer. These come from Atlas's master line, and as such, they'll have some really good detail. Your best bet would be to go to Atlas's website and find out if they have the one or ones you're looking for. Alright, so looking at the paint, you can see that it's very well done. The yellow covers very well, or orange, I don't know what you call that color. It's kind of yellow, but it's kind of orange too. The logo looks really cool. I like these Billboard style cars. If you look, you can see that the doors on the side have very good latch detail and also hinge detail. I looked at these really carefully, and it does not look like the doors open. Now, I might be wrong about that. It doesn't say anything about the doors opening on their website. So I would say if you're going to try to open the doors, be really careful because you don't want to break anything. So as we're looking at the brake end here, this is going to be kind of hard to see because it's dark on dark detail, meaning brownish details on brownish background. There is a separately applied ladder here on the end. You can see this one that we were just looking at from the side view. You can see that it comes with a body-mounted knuckle coupler. There's actually a cut bar here. Maybe hard to see, but it is there. And you can also see that the brake wheel and associated detail is separately applied. Taking a sneak preview of the hatch detail, you can see that's also very good. We'll look at that a little closer when we look at the top detail or roof detail. And I wanted to give you a look at the brake end from this angle to show you that it comes with an air hose. How cool is that? A brief look at the other side of the car reveals a great paint job, just like on the side we already looked at. A brief look at the A end reveals similar detail, including the cut bar, air hose, and knuckle coupler. The roof detail is also very well done. This is a separately applied roof walk that simulates wood boards, and they have nail detail, which you can see is offset as you walk down the roof walk. And if you look, you can see that the hatch detail is very good on these models. These hatches don't open, as far as I can tell. I'm not going to force them because I don't want to break it. But if you decide you want to try to open yours, just be really careful because these little latches are very fragile. And something that's really interesting to note, and I think really cool of Atlas to have done, is that the hatch details will depend on your prototype. We're going to take a brief look at the bottom of the car just to show that it does have fully detailed brake rigging and to show that these are in fact body-mounted couplers and to show that it comes with metal wheels. Alright, I've pulled the old switcheroo on you and we're looking at the white one now, and we're going to start with the bottom and work our way backwards just so you can see all that nice brake detail. The top of this model is just like the top of the other model with simulated wood roof, a separately applied wood walkway, simulated that is, with nail detail and staggered boards. And we'll take a brief look at the A end, which has similar details to the other model we were just looking at, with a separately applied end ladder, separately applied cut lever down here, air hose detail behind the coupler. It's very nicely detailed. This is what you get in Atlas's Master Series. I'll take a quick look at the brake end, and you can see separately applied brake wheel and associated detail running down the end, as well as a separately applied cut lever, air hose detail behind the coupler there, and a knuckle coupler. And finally, a look at the billboard on the side of this model. It looks awesome. I think this is a couple of really cool models, and there's something, and I always mention this when we do these sort of billboard style boxcars or reefers. I really like them, and it makes me want to model that sort of bygone era. You know, there's something really nostalgic about seeing these beer ads on the side of a reefer, you know? But anyway, great job, Atlas. I'm looking forward to seeing more, and I'll catch you next time.